This exercise is to design a rectangle class with two data fields, width and height, and then two constructors, and then two methods, getArea and parameters. Then you should be able to create two objects, then print values inside objects using. Let's create a class called rectangle. The first data field is width 1.0 with default value, height also 1.0, area of rectangle, and the parameter of rectangle. There is one default constructor, no implementation inside. Constructor with two parameters. The first one is width, and the second one is height. New width and height going to be a new value that will change the value of a rectangle object. So I call it as a new width and height. Two methods. Declare as public. It will return double value. getArea. We need a width and height, both double type. Let's say return area is basically width and multiplied by height. Next method, public double getPerimeter. So surrounding area of the rectangle. So we will say width and then height. Return. There will be two width and height. So to multiply by width plus height. That's good enough, I think. Okay, we finished the class design. Let's use seems okay. Let's create two objects. So let's start with public static void main. First object with 4.0 and then 40.0. Name of the class, you can name R1 as a rectangle object. Use new operator with constructor with two parameters. Copy paste it. R2 3.5. Next one is 35. Let's talk about the output. Normally we could use a toString return string value of that particular object. So in this case we have a width, height, area, and the parameter of rectangle. Let me add some label so that we can identify those values. Next one is height, then area, then parameter. Seems okay. So output R1 to string, printed on screen, copy paste it, change to R2. Let's try first, then I will go after process. So main method is here. You can see width and height, 4.0, 40.0, 3.5 and 35.9. Okay, but we can't see area and parameter. One way we can say R1. You can print getArea. So it says the width and height 4.0 and 40.0. Okay, I will do R1 here, parameter, specify area and parameter in rectangle class. So we need to fix that mistake so that we can print. Okay, here I need to make some change because it does not print area and the parameter. So if you look at the return statement, I should say area. So you can get the value according to calculations. So this one should say parameter. So according to calculation, we will display using toString methods. So we can get 160, also we can get 88. Seems like okay. So let me change to R2. Adjust the numbers. It should be 3.5, 35.9. Okay. Let's try again. Now you can see both R1, R2 with width and height, area and parameters. There's one additional space. Let me just remove that space. Everything else seems okay. Yeah, seems okay. I think so. That's all. Thank you.